ক্লাস 9, 10 আৰু 12 25,000ৰো অধিক ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰীয়ে এতিয়া জ্ঞান পাণ্ডা এপত শিকি আছে। উচ্চ মানদণ্ডৰ শিক্ষাৰ বাবে এতিয়াই ডাউনলোড কৰক জ্ঞান পাণ্ডা এপ।
Hey guys, welcome again. So, what do you think? Learning maths is fun or not? Let's check it out. Today, I'm going to discuss some very interesting tricks on maths. Okay, let's make it fun. Okay, 72 plus 25 plus 75 plus 75 plus 28. Okay, and plus suppose 13. What will be the answer? Orally, in just 1 second you can compute this. Okay, how? Alright, so first you have to add first you have to add these two numbers, then add these two number, then this one. Okay, first you have to add these two numbers. 25 plus 75 is 100, right? And 72 and 28 is also 100. 100 plus 100 is what? 100 plus 100 is 200. Then add 13. 200 plus 13 is, the answer will be 213. Okay, but if you solve it like 72 plus 25 plus 75 plus 28 plus 13, then it will be little bit difficult, right? If you know how to arrange them exactly, then it will be easier for you. Okay, so how I get to know? I have to I have to first add these two numbers. How I get to know? Okay, so plus, see here in the ones places there are 5 and 5. So we know that 5 plus 5 is what? 5 plus 5 is 10. We get a rounding figure, right? We get a rounding figure when we add 5 and 5. And similarly, 2 plus 8 is what? 2 plus 8 is the ones place of 72 and ones place of 28. The 2 plus 8 is also 10. 2 plus 8 is also 10, right? So if you add these two numbers, you will get a rounding figure. That is why I choose these two numbers, okay, and these two numbers. I add 25 and 75, I get 100, and 72 and 28, I get 100. Then I add this 13. Alright, so this is how we can compute a sum very easily. We can make it simple, okay. Let's take some more examples. Alright, suppose we need to compute this number 213 plus 85 plus 187 plus 115. Then how we will solve? Okay, we have to add these two numbers, right? We have to add these two numbers because in the ones place, what is this? Ones place there are what? 3 and 7, that is 100 and that is 10. If we add these ones places, then we get what? We get a rounding figure. That is why we have to choose these two numbers. Then we have to choose these two numbers. We have to add these two numbers because in the ones place there are 5 and 5, right? 5 plus 5 is what? It is 10 only, right? So we have to choose these two numbers. This plus this is what? 13 plus 87, that is 100. 1 plus 2 here. In the 100 place, that is 1 plus 2, that is 300 itself. And 87 plus 13, it is 100. 1 will be carried from that 100, then it will become what? 400, right? It will become 400. And what about this one? 85 plus 115. 85 plus 115 will be 85 plus 15 will be 100. From that 100, I will carry 1 from this number, so it will become what? 200. And so the answer will be what? 600. The sum will be 600. Alright, so that is how we can make our number equation very simple, and we can do it orally. Alright, so let's go to multiplication part. Let's check what we can do there. Alright, if we have a question like this, then we have to do what? We can say the answer orally. How we can say the answer orally? The answer will be 1600. How? Answer will be 1600. We know that 4 into 15, 25, it is 100, right? 100 into 16 is what? It is 1600 only. So we can compute some multiplications by making it simple. Alright, So let's take some more examples. Suppose 8 into 16 into 8 into 16 into 25, suppose 8 into 16 into 25 and into 2, suppose. Okay, you can first multiply these two numbers, then you will be getting what? 50. Then multiply this number with this 8. Okay, multiply this 50 with 8, then you will be getting what? 400, right? 8 5s are 40 and put this 0 here. 400. And what will be the 16 into 400? What will be the answer of 16 into 400? That is only 4 16 just 64, and put the zeros there. 6400 will be the answer. If you know how to compute easily, then you can multiply it orally. Otherwise, the calculation will be very difficult for you. All right. So I request all of you that to learn some multiplications, right? Like 4 into 25 is 100. 4 into 25 is 100. 8 into 125 is 1000. 1000. 4 into 125. 4 into 125 is, suppose 8, we know 8 into 125 is 1000. All right. Then what will be 4 into 125? We can compute this. We can compute this by just watching this only. Why? From this 8 it become 4. We divide this 8. We divide this 8 by 2, right? So here also we will divide this 1000 by 2. Then it will be 500 only, right? Then it will be 500 only. So this is how we can compute many multiplications. Okay, so now tell me, what will be 16 into 125? What will be 16 into 125? It is nothing else. It will be just, we know that 8 into 125 is 1000. Then 16 into 125 will be what? 8 2s are 16. The 1000 2s are what? 1000 2s are will be 2000, right? So 1000 2s are will be 2000. All right. So this is how we can compute some multiplications. All right. So now let's learn how to multiply 25 with a multiple of 4. Okay, how to multiply 25 with a multiple of 4. All right, suppose 25 into 16. What will be the answer? Can you tell me by orally? Yes, we can. How we can multiply these two numbers orally? Suppose you just need to do what? You just need to divide this 16. You just need to divide this 16 by 4. You just need to divide this 16 by 4. Then answer will be 4 and put 2 zeros there. Okay? You just first need to divide this 16 by 4. Then put 2 zeros there. Okay? And suppose, let's take more examples. Suppose 25 and 64. Divide this 64. Divide this 64 by 4. Divide this 64 by 4. And what will be the answer? 16, and put 2 zeros there. Okay, is it fun, right? Yes. Let's take one more example. Suppose 25 into 76. What will be the answer? The answer will be, if we divide this 76 by 4, then it will become what? It will become 19, and put 2 zeros there. So ask me why I am giving here 2 zeros and why I am dividing this 64, 76 and 16 by 4. Ask me. Okay. So why I am dividing? Because I can write this 25 as 100 divided by 4. Isn't that it? Isn't that it? 100 divided by 4 equals to 25? Yes, it is, right? So 100 divided by 24 is, if we divide this 100 by 4, we'll be getting what? 25 only. So it is, if it is 100 divided by 4 multiplied by 16, then we can do what? 4 ones are 4, 4 4s are 16. Then answer will be 4 into 100, that is 400 only, right? So we can divide, so we can multiply any number, in fact, not only multiple, any number by 25 very easily. Suppose take any number, any random number which is not a what? Which is not a multiple of 4. Suppose let's take 125, which is not a multiple of 4, right? 125 multiplied by 125 multiplied by 25. What will be the answer? 125 multiplied by 25. What will be the answer? If we divide this 125 by 5, then what will be? If we divide this 125 by 4, then what will be? Let me show you the division. Okay, 125, 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12, then 4 1s are 4, point will be given, 0 will come, right? 4 2s are 8, 2 will come, 0 will be given, 4 5s are 20. So what will be into 100? It will be 3125, right? 3125. That means we get what? We got that we can multiply any multiple of 4 by 25 using this trick. We just need to do what? We just need to divide the number with 4 and we need to multiply again 100. We can multiply 100 there, 100 easily, right? This is how we can compute this type of questions. Alright, now check how to multiply 125 with the multiple of 8. Okay, so now let's take one example. Suppose 1008 is a multiple of 8. Multiply it by 125. Can you tell me this one orally? Yes, we can. After watching the trick, we can say it orally. Alright, let's check it out. What will be if we divide this by 8? What will be the answer? If we divide this by 8, then it will be 8 1s are 8, 2 will be there. It will become 20, then 8 2s are 16, 48, 6, right? And put 3 zeros there. Put 3 zeros there. Alright, put 3 zeros there. Why? Not ask me why. Okay, so I have already told you that 8 into 125 is equals to what? 8 into 125 equals to 1000, right? That means what? We can write this 125 like 1000 divided by 8. So 8 1s are 8, 8 126 are 108, right? Now it is what only? It is just 126 into 1000, it is 126000. Alright, so just like 4, it is not only this trick is not only work on multiple of 8, it works with every numbers. We just need to if we need to multiply any number with 125, so then we can apply this trick. Okay, so let's take any random number, that is 192 1 into 125. What will be the answer of 192 into 125? You just need to divide this simple number, divide this number by by 8 only, right? 8 2s are 8 5s are. Alright, then you have to multiply 1000 there. So what will be the answer? 125 only. Interesting fact. We have one more interesting fact, that is 3 into 37 equals to 111. If we know 3 into 37 equals to 111, then we can compute sum of multiplications very easily. Suppose like if we need to multiply 9 into 37, then the answer will be what? 3 37s. We can split this 9. We can split this 9 as 3 into 3, and 3 into 37 will be what? 3 into 37 will be 111. Then it will be 333 only. Answer 333 will be the answer. Okay, so if we know this trick, then you can compute this kind of numbers, this kind of multiplications very easily. Like take one more example, 12 into 37. What will be 12 into 37? Then divide this number by 3. 4 will 4 will come. So what will be 4, 4, 4. 15 into 1, 1, 1. So divide this number by 3. Then it will be, divide this number by 3. Then it will be what? 5. So answer will be 5, 5, 5. 27 multiplied by, sorry, it is not. 27 multiplied by 37, it will be 999. Right? So this is how we can compute. Suppose we have 6 into 74. What will be then? 6 into 74. It will be here. See here, we can split this number by 37 into 2. Right? Then it will become what? It will become 12 into 37 only. It will be like 12 into 37. Question is same as this one, right? So then here it is 12, right? So 12. So if we divide this 12 by 3, then it will be 4. 4 into 1, 1, 1, that is 4, 4, 4. Answer is 4, 4, 4. Alright, understood? Very nice, right? It is very fun. If you know some tricks, you can do some multiplications orally. Alright, so I want you guys to know all these things. Okay, I want you, then only maths will be a little bit, easier for you. Okay? What is multiplication by 11? How to multiply any number by 11? Let's take any 2-digit number. Suppose 23 into 11. What will be 23 into 11? It is just 2 and 3. Put these two numbers, tens place numbers here, ones place number here, and write the summation of these two numbers in the middle. Okay, in the tens place. Okay, the answer will be 253. Okay, so very simple and easy trick, right? Very simple and easy trick. 25 into 11. What will be 25 into 11? 25 into 11 will be 275 only, right? What will be 27 into 11? It will be 297 only, right? Right? Understood? Very simple trick. You just need to add to get the middle number, you just need to add these two numbers. Okay, you just need to add these two numbers to get the middle number. See here, 2 plus 5 is 7. Here 2 plus 7 is 9. All right, if we have, suppose like this kind of numbers, then what we have to do, we just have to do what? 2 and 9, we know it, right? So now see here, if we add these two numbers, we will be getting a 2-digit number, that is 2 plus 9, that is 11. We will be getting a 2-digit number, but in this place, in this tens place, we can put only one number. Okay, 1 digit. So this one will come to this number, this one will come to this number, so it will become 319. 319. Understood? Suppose 5 into 8 in 58 into 11. Suppose, okay, so we see that what 8 plus 5 is what? 13, right? We get a 2-digit number, so make it 6, and 13, that is 3, 8. Take more examples. 68 into 11. What will be 68 into 11? See, 6 plus 8 is what? 14, right? 6 plus 8 is 14 number. We are getting a 2-digit number. So there is 6, make it 7. Okay, make it 7. 6 plus 8 is what? 14. So put this 4 here. Put this 4, and the ones place will be always this number. Okay, I'm giving you the concept one more time. When you are multiplying, you are multiplying this kind of numbers, where the sum of these two digits will be a 2-digit number. Then you just need to do what? Add 1 on this tens place. All right. Suppose 5 into 9. 59 into 11. What will be 59 into 11? We see 5 plus 9 is what? 5 plus 9 is 14. We get a what? 2-digit number, right? So here it is 5. So make it 6. 5 plus 9 is 14. So 1 plus 4, and here it will be 9. Alright, it's very fun if you know the tricks. Alright, 78 into 11. 78 into 11. 7 plus 8 is what? 7 plus 8 is 15. Right? 7 plus 8 is 15. It is a 2-digit number. Alright, so we have to make it 8. We have to make it 8. Okay. 7 plus 8 is what? 15. 5 will come, and that one's place will be 8 only. Right? Very nice. So now check, what if there are 3-digit or 4-digit numbers? If we need to multiply 11 with 3-digit or 4-digit or 3-digit or more than 3-digit numbers. If we need to multiply 1, 2, 3 into 11, we'll be just doing what? We'll be doing here, the ones place will be 3. Okay, then the tens place will be sum of these two numbers, 2 plus 3 only, 2 plus 3, and the 100 place will be 1 plus 2 only, 1 plus 2 only, and the ones place will be 1 again. Right? We need to do what? The first ones place will be this, then the next tens place will be addition of these two numbers, that is 5. The next number will be, that means the 100 place will be addition of these two number, 1 plus 2, that is 3, and the thousands place will be 1. Okay, suppose 2, 3, 4 into 11. What will be 2, 3, 4 into 11? Then it will be what? Ones place will be 4. Then for the tens place we have to add these two numbers, that is 7. Then the 100 place we have to add these two numbers, that is 5. For the 1000 place it will be the same number. Alright, so this is how we can multiply 11 with any number. Okay, we can multiply 11 with any number. We have lots of tricks, like how to do squares, how to find cubes, how to find square roots. Alright, just to know all this, I want what? I want all the tables up to 15, all the tables up to 15, all the divisibility rules up to 15, and also the squares of the numbers, that means 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, up to 25. And the cubes also, 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, up to 10 only. Up to 10. I need, if you are fluent on this, then I can give you lots of tricks to find out many squares, many cubes. Okay, how to find 102 squares orally. What will be the answer? It will be 10404. It is 105. What is 105 square? That is 110 25. How I come to know? What is 51 square? What is 51 square? It is 2601. What is 48 square? It is what? 2304 only. How I get to know all this? To know this, you have to learn all these things first. You have to learn all these things first. Let me know that you have learned all those things, you are fluent on these things, then I will make another video on this thing only. It will be very fun. I assure you, you'll be in love with maths if you know all these tricks. Alright? And then maths will be fun. This is all for today. I hope you understood the concepts and you will try to use all the shortcuts. Okay, see you in the next video. Alright, so bye bye for then. Thank you for watching the video.
সকলো বিষয়ৰ সম্পূৰ্ণ ভিডিও আৰু প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰ নোটছ আদি পাবৰ বাবে প্লে ষ্টৰৰ পৰা এতিয়াই জ্ঞান পাণ্ডা এপটো ডাউনলোড কৰক।